Okay, so we have this situation where we have no cigarette lighter power. This is gone, it will not work. The back one is working. This should display the voltage on the screen there. It doesn't give you any charge. So for whatever reason, Volvo have put in more than one fuse board, but it's not actually shown on the manual as to where this one is. So I've removed underneath the driver's position the panel here, 2 T25 screws go in there and there, and the screw you'll be looking for, or the fuse, sorry, you'll be looking for will be this one. So middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th position in. Grab a fuse puller. Found the fuse puller. Middle row, 6th one in, should be a 15 amp. So fuse is pulled finally, and when we can focus, there we go, broken fuse. New fuse here, 6th slot, sorry for the pretty dodgy camera work, 6th slot, middle row from the right. So we should now have power when we turn the car back on. We do. It's now showing voltage even without the car on actually. So that proves that one. Also, our rear screen entertainment sound hasn't been working either, so I wonder whether that also is the same problem. The audio feed from the DVD to the speakers. We have screens. I wonder whether that fixes it as well. Just press play on the remote. Let's see whether the network comes through the speakers, because that would make some sense. So we go to selector, and it's aux. And then it's the switch here for RSE. There we go. It is. It fixes that problem too. So rear screen entertainment audio not working, fixed by fuse that's linked to cigarette lighter.